Now in this lecture, we are just going to dispatch our shipping info action. Once we dispatch all the data, whatever we have entered inside the input field, that data we are going to store inside local storage. Inside the shipping.jsx, inside the form, we have already passed this on submit event handler. As soon as we submit the form, this function has to be called. And inside this function, we are just going to dispatch this shipping info action. You can see this is the action which we are going to dispatch. I will remove this log. Before dispatching, first I will be checking for the condition if my phone number dot length, if it is equal to 10, dot length, if it is not equal to 10, come inside this. Here I will be passing this toast dot error. Toast is not imported. Let me write toast. Come here and above this I'm just going to import toast. Import toast from React-Toastify. Inside this I will be passing invalid phone number. It should be 10 digits. Based on your country, you can check for the validation. And next I will be passing position. Where I have to display, I have to give top center. And finally, I will be passing this auto close, and here I will pass 3000 millisecond, which means after 3 seconds, my error has to be gone. Below this, immediately, I'm just going to return from this function. First, let me come to demo. Here, I will be giving this mobile number, select state, select the city. Now, as soon as I click on continue, you can see invalid phone number. It should be exactly 10 digits. Now let me come to my project. I will give this number. Click on continue. Successfully, I am able to get this message. And finally, below this, we are just going to dispatch our action. Dispatch. Here I will be passing this save shipping info. Hit enter. This will be imported. And inside this, as an object, I will be passing all the values. So whatever values I will be passing, that will be passed inside action, and using action.payload, I will be able to access all the values. And what values I will be passing? I will pass address, I will be passing pin code, then I will be passing phone number, then I will be passing country, then state, and finally I will be passing city. So all this data I will be passing while dispatching this action. So this entire information will be assigned to this action.payload. And this is nothing but my payload. So that payload I can access using action.payload. And that entire payload we are going to assign to this shipping info, and complete information we will be storing inside this local storage. And once successfully it has done, what we will do, we are just going to navigate to order confirm. So here I will write order slash confirm. I will be passing navigate. Above this, I will be creating one variable navigate, and for this I'm just going to assign this use navigate hook. So all the necessary things, be careful, it has to be imported. Now once it is done, let me come here, and also I'm just going to inspect. I will open application. Now inside this local storage, I'm only having this cart items. Now enter address, pin code, phone number, country, state, then city. I will be selecting Mumbai. Okay, for Maharashtra, I am having this city Mumbai. Now as soon as I click on continue, you can see I am redirected to order confirm, and inside this local storage I am having complete information: address, city, country, what data I have stored. I have stored ISO code, phone number, pin code, and finally for this state also I am having the code. And why I am storing code, you can see, let me just show you. Inside this value, whatever data we are passing, only that data will be stored inside our shipping info. But now I will just come back. As soon as I come back, you can see my entire form is cleared and I am not having any result. So here I will scroll up. Inside this initial state, what I will do, from this shipping info, we are just going to access all the information, and that we have already passed inside this initial state. Now inside local storage, we are having data. So from local storage, we have already accessed. Initially it was empty, but now from local storage, we are having this information. So inside the state, from this shipping info, we will access address. If we are not having anything, only then we are going to assign this empty string. Now exact same thing, copy. Here I will be pasting. Next we are having pin code, paste. Here we will be passing phone number. Here paste. We will pass country, paste. We will pass state, and last thing paste. Here we will be passing city. So exact same values from local storage, whatever values we are having, we will access the values and we are just going to display in the form. Now we are having the value in the local storage, so that value will be displayed in the form. If we are not having, we will have empty values inside the form. Now let me come to project. You can see now in my form, whatever data I am having inside local storage, all the values will be displayed. So in this way, we will access all the data from local storage, and accordingly, entire data we will be passing inside the form.